What if I told you there's a naked bike that delivers superbike-level performance, but with more comfort and real-world usability? A machine that combines raw Italian aggression, cutting-edge technology, and insane power, all in one package. This is the all-new Aprilia Tuono V4 2026, and today we're going to find out if this is the ultimate street fighter you can buy right now. The 2026 model continues Aprilia's signature sharp and futuristic design language. At the front, you get a bold triple LED headlight setup with integrated DRLs, giving the bike a very distinctive look. The aerodynamic winglets, inspired by MotoGP, not only enhance performance but also add to the aggressive character. The fuel tank is muscular and sculpted, giving you a strong road presence. The Aprilia Tuono V4 2026 is powered by a 1077cc V4 engine, delivering insane levels of performance. This engine produces over 170 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naked bikes in the world. The throttle response is sharp and the acceleration is brutal. From low RPM to high revs, the power delivery is smooth yet extremely aggressive when you push it. The Tuono V4 offers a more upright riding position compared to full superbikes, making it more practical for street use. The handlebars are wide, giving you better control and comfort. The seat is well padded, allowing you to ride longer without fatigue. However, it's still a performance-focused machine, so the ride can feel firm on rough roads. The Tuono V4 2026 is packed with advanced electronics and rider aids. You get a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. Multiple riding modes allow you to adjust the bike's behavior based on your riding style. Traction control, wheelie control, launch control, and cruise control. Everything is included. The chassis is well balanced, and the suspension setup is tuned for performance. On twisty roads, the bike feels sharp and responsive. You can lean into corners with confidence thanks to its excellent grip and stability. At high speeds, the bike remains planted and controlled. This is a high-performance bike, so fuel efficiency is not its strong suit. You can expect around 30 to 35 miles per gallon, depending on how you ride. Maintenance costs are also on the higher side, as expected from a premium performance machine. This bike is not meant for daily commuting. It's built for thrill and performance. However, if you are a beginner, this bike is not recommended. This machine demands skill and respect. The Tuono V4 is more than just a motorcycle. It's an adrenaline machine. Would you choose this over other superbikes? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Rider Universe for more amazing bike content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.